2,500 plants in 14 bighas of land.
For the lost and found.
Let's go.
But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare cause the flames will burn us up.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about visiting Zintu's house and his farm. On a journey to Bengtol Deolguri, and along with me Pungka Karji.
Hi.
So we both of us are traveling towards their house during this lockdown, just to fresh up our mind. Tamane जोङो दा थांगासिनो दं बेंटलाव जोंनि लोगो जिन्तु इस्लारिनि न'आव आरो बेनि फिसा फार्म दं बोरमा दोननाय थालिर बिफां गायनाय माबा माबि दं बेखौ नोंथांमोना फिसारिबो दं औ फिसारि माने फुख्रिबो दं बेफोरखौहाय नोंथांमोना नुनो मोनगोन बे भिडिअखौ नायलांबायल' थादो दा लकडाउनावथ' गोबाव जाबायना लकडाउना मास मोनथामनिबो बारबाय न'आव थायै थायै बरिं मोनबाय सोरबा जेरै सोरबा बिराद बेरायनो मोजां मोनो जेरै आंनि लोगो आथिङा मेवदलायबायमोन न'आव थायै आथिं मेवदलायग्रा मानसिफोर थायो नालाय माखासे बिसोरनि थाखाय बिराद बरिं जाबायमोन ना लाइफआ न'आव थायै स' बेनिखायनो जोंबो एसे बेरायग्लांनानै साखाथिनि गामियाव थांना फैनो नागिरदों जाहैबाय
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down.
Let's go. Excited to see, man. Nani lui vậy? दा जों मोनफैबाय जाहैबाय हाग्रामा ब्रिज जेरावखि थाङा मानो जोंथ' हाग्रामा ब्रिजखौ बारखानांगौ जाहैबाय दा हाग्रामा ब्रिज मोनफैबाय जों बेजोंहाय गिदिंना हौरै काजलगावजों हाबनानै दावखोनायसै बेंटल so let's go and this is the famous bridge in Assam known as Hagrama Bridge and the famous Daising festival is also held here in I River Valley which is just around Hagrama Bridge.
Chase away my fears. I'm on my own. You made it so. And now I'm chasing that.
And now we reach Chapaguri in Bongaigaon. From here we are going to take a right turn to reach Kazelgaon. From Kazelgaon we go straight to Bengtol. That was the monastery in Baule Ontaibari Manpibai. So we are almost reaching. This place is called Ontaibari. And finally guys we reached the place Bengtol. This is Bengtol market and of course this is a bit famous in Chirang district. This is the place where I have done my schooling of course. The market is open now after lockdown. You can see some busy people coming for their marketing. And to reach Zintu's house we have to take another 6-7 kilometers from here to reach Deolguri, I mean Zintu's village. And now we entered Deolguri. Monphibiana motamoti Deolguri ko hai. Now straight away to his farming area we will go. Okay. And here is Zintu Islary. Oi. Okay, let's go. So now we are getting inside his farming area. He told me that it is around more than 25 bighas of land. Gasai 25 बिघा बायदि जागोन होनना बुंदों. Are also it is very beautiful to see around. Okay, let us start with his goat farming. Okay, yeah. बोरमाफोरखौ नायग्रोदिनिथो. बोरमानि न'. And this house is for the goats to stay inside. Oh, no, बोरमा बेलाय नै. Ah, nice man. So you can see these goats, the livestock of Zintu. non-cow animal na mato. Oh, it is systematically made actually. Some gaps are kept properly to maintain hygiene and good environment for them. नोंथांमोनाथ' मिथिखायो आजिखालि जुनारफोरनावबो बिराद बेमार आजार जासै बेनिखायनो बिराद सिस्टेमेटिकै बिसोरखौहाय लाखिनांगौ जायो दोननांगौ जायो बेनिखायनो बिदि बानायदों जाहैबाय दा नायदो नै गासै नैबेनि बोरमाफ्रा 50 था दं होननानै खिन्थादों दा बेफोरखौ जोथोन लानो थाखाय बिसोरो सासे मानसि लानानै दोनो जाय बेफोरखौ नोजोर लाखियो आरोखि सम जाब्ला जाफैनांगोन ना माथो दा बियो बुंदों जेसेबांनाखि गोदोनायावहाय बे फिथा खानाय नुदों दा बेफोरो गासैबो खासि जाहैबाय खासि गोजानो He told me that all those goats with a ribbon on their necks are castrated it seems and they cannot go anywhere because they are bounded by the bamboo fencing system so and one important thing is that he started his farming individually without any government support and that's amazing right and now who is Zintu Islary actually he is one of my best friends a childhood friend who is very close to me he is not only a friend he is like a real brother for me you know okay so this hard-working guy completed master's degree and he has been searching jobs for years but he could not find the comfortable one so he has chosen this farming system to bring up his life and support the family and now he is very strongly self-employed guy now let's see the banana garden from the close by when plants and trees are planted together in a systematic way in a group you can imagine how it looks it really looks very With this, I'm ending this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Now moving to Zintu's house, and it is getting dark now. Sana habbai. Bye bye everybody. See you in next video. Video ko जोबजासिम नायनायनि थाखाय रोजा रोजा साबायखर.